top of that one there.
I'm just gonna watch so we don't fuck any other PVC.
Oh, that's the vent stack going up. That's what it is.
Language.
That's the vent stack going up in the wall?
Yep. Can you hear?
Yep. Yes, I can.
Give me a knife, I'll just cut through this boot.
Okay, hang on.
This is the worst fucking job I've ever done.
I'm so sorry.
And I've done a lot of plumbing jobs in my time.
I know you're gonna hit me hard for this one. I'm video recording this right now. Anything you want to say about the description? Well, we got the worst plumbing job you ever did part.
So the closest I'm going to be able to move this over is going to be to this joist.
Okay.
That's it.
All right.
I can't get you
Got it.
I can't get you no more because if I go on the other side, you'll be too close to the vanity.
Yeah, understood.
And we ain't going to cut no joists.
Right.
That's an awful thick boot, so hopefully that knife will cut it.